Yo, what's up YouTube? AR Car Reviews here again with another video. In today's video we're going to be installing some carbon fiber overlays on the Mustang. Now I don't care, some people might think it's a little ricey, you know what I mean, but I installed one little piece just to make sure I see how it looks. And I'm not gonna hold you, these things can get mad expensive. I don't know why they're so much, but I found a couple cheap ones on Amazon. Cause it's just carbon fiber, bro, it's just stickers, bro. Ain't no way I'm spending hundreds of dollars on stickers. Maybe the quality of stickers is better, but that's too much for me. So either way, sad to say, the Mustang is definitely dirty now. Let me flip this camera so I can show y'all. The Mustang is definitely a lot dirty. We got here with some mean snow, you feel me? So it's looking crazy. This car don't even look like a Mustang no more, bro. Like, look at this. So I'm about to start it up. Try to get it clean off all this snow and stuff. I got the sideways broom with me. You know, that should always do the trick. Bro, what type of post-winter apocalyptic is this, bro? Bro, my car is frozen. I can't even see the taillights, bro. What the hell? Nah, this snow built different for real. Bro, what is this? I can't even see the glass. I'm gonna just get to the door and just start this thing up. Bro, I'm actually so scared. My car window didn't even roll down, bro. I just really hope it's not gonna crack the window. Let me just start this up as quickly as possible. Still have that little bit of an annoying noise. Make sure this thing is in neutral. Alright, I don't even know if you guys can hear me that well, but yo, this is breaking my heart. After they cleaned my car so well at Minty's Detailing, this snow just messed up my whole operation. But listen, car still look good, tinted windows still doing this thing, cleaned off most of the snow around the car. Now I'm gonna show y'all an example of like what the carbon overlay is gonna look like. Let me show y'all what it's gonna look like. So right here, this snow got me discombobulated, don't even mind me. So this is an example of something I got the carbon overlays for. So this is how it looks, stock, and then this is what it's gonna look like after we're done. I had to just try it on just to make sure what I bought wasn't, you know, garbage. And it looks pretty good. I like it, bro. It looks super simple. It looks really nice. I feel like it's simple. You know, it's a nice little touch that people not gonna really overlook, but they're going to compliment it, you know what I'm saying? It has a nice little touch to it, you know what I'm saying? It has a nice little carbon overlay weave. Now, what I will say though is that it is a little bit on the cheaper side. Like, it's like 30-40 bucks on Amazon, I think, and I didn't really spend too much money on them. But I mean, it's just overlays. Like, I'm not trying to spend $500 on some fake carbon fiber. If I'm going to spend $500, I want some real carbon fiber. You understand what I'm saying? So apart from that, something else y'all gotta be careful of, all y'all S1979, I guess S550 owners or whatever, but like, if y'all have the thing where y'all door opens up, like I'm gonna show y'all an image of it. I should have it somewhere. This ice has frozen onto the glass, putting some resistance to my glass coming down. So now I'm scared to close my door, because if I close the door and I slam it, the glass might crack against the frame, even though I think they have some where it's not supposed to do that. But I'm just precautious. I don't want my glass to be broken in the flipping winter time. All right, so just be a little careful. There's a little trick you could do with the door open slot, where you could like trick it to open, and then just test it like that and make sure if it's closing down fully, you know you're good. So I'm like, my door not even closed right now. I'm just scared to close it because I don't want nothing bad to happen. Even though I think it should be good, I think it should be straight. Because I'm looking at it right now, I'm testing it kind of, and you know what I mean, look like it's closing. Look like it's closed. Hey, there you go. Okay, so it closed. All right, so now I'm gonna just turn up the AC. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. That's better, that's better. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn up the AC. I'm gonna let the whole cabin cool up to melt all the snow around the car, especially on this glass. It's just cool problems. You know, y'all know how it is. It's just cool problems. I'm not complaining though. And then yeah, let's finish the rest of these carbon fiber overlays. But yo, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. I think it looks 10 out of 10. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think it looks really good. The price, good. How it looks is good to me. Like, coming from this, bro, that's a world of difference. That's a world of difference. I'm gonna link it in the stuff below, but we're gonna try to finish everything that I bought, because I bought it for the whole interior. We're gonna try to finish that today, so let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna try to show you all the best as I can. But so we got the alcohol prep pad. Right now the camera's sitting on my lap. It's not the best place for it, but we're gonna figure it out. So I got the alcohol pad. I'm gonna take it, just wipe down this whole area right here. Make sure there's no dirt, no debris on anything. Make sure it's nice and clean and ready to bond to the surface. Okay, not really getting that much dirt off of it because my car was detailed by Minty's a couple days ago. So actually yesterday, I don't know what I'm talking about, a couple days ago. Man, that thing happened yesterday, bro. I'm in Delaria town. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean off these edges. You might as well do that since you're already here. Got some dirt over there. All right, it should be good. Perfect. You have the other piece that's gonna go right there, right on top. It's gonna sit on top of it just like this, just like how the other piece sit. And honestly, these things look so good. So after this dry now, which is pretty dry, alcohol does not take that long to dry. We're gonna take this out. This is gonna have a different pad, and this pad is gonna be for polymerization. It's adhesion promoter. It promotes the adhesive. You feel me? That's why you guys gotta stay in school. All right, so now come across here. I'm not trying to have it touch on everything, just the parts where it's gonna touch, because I don't know what adhesive. And this thing smells horrible. It smells like paint. It's primer. Coat it around one more time. Alright, that should be it. I'll put it back in just in case I need it for the other ones. I doubt it though. Now it says let it sit for like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'm just showing you guys this one because this is the easiest angle to do. And then we're gonna put it on. So I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been long enough. So we're gonna take off this. Take off that little red tape at the back. See, make sure I get it right. We're gonna take this thing off. This thing is, this thing is on there very tight. Like this thing is on there. Take it off. Now we just gotta line it up well. And make sure it's matching the other one. So I got the flush at the bottom. Like this thing, when it gets on there, bro, it's on there. Put the top on like this. The bottom gonna fit on. That's the hard part. You really gotta make sure you line this thing up correctly. That is the annoying part. It's so good. I like this. There we go. It's looking real nice. Looking real good. Looking real nice, looking real good. Real good. Y'all see that? Boom, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think it spices up the interior just enough to make it just a lot nicer, bro. Like simple things like this really make the car look really good. So I'm gonna apply a lot more pressure on it, and I'm gonna just keep doing that same thing across to all the other things. So I'm gonna just take a little before and after picture because it's kind of hard to film. It's kind of hard to film this stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. Y'all already got that. Y'all already understand the basic concepts, you feel me? So let's get started. Okay, so we finished a large piece, 2 large pieces, and I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm starting to get the hang of it a little bit better, starting to have a lot less mistakes. These big pieces is kind of hard to do, but I'm actually really happy with the fitment. You can see it fit down to a T, and it's just a little bit of knowing how to play with it. I think I messed up on this piece a little bit, but it ain't really that noticeable, especially with the fitment. But yeah, I'm liking how this is coming together. I'm gonna take a couple pictures after, you know, at a little bit better conditions, but right now everything is looking pretty good. It's looking solid. I'm not even gonna lie, it's looking solid. It's really looking solid. Now again, nothing is gonna be perfect, especially because they're stickers. Like, you just put them on and it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying, it's either you put them on right or you don't. But at the same time, it does change the general appearance of the interior, and it does make it look a little nicer, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna finish up. We have this part, that part over there, and we got this part right here, and then we have, I think I have the key fob right here as well, and then this map light, which is kind of worrying me because the piece is a little bent, but we're gonna see how it comes out. And like what I said before, if we don't like it, take a heat gun to it, take it off, buy another one, put it down right. So, you know, which is another reason why I really didn't want to splurge and get a $300 piece, because what do you do if you mess up a $300 sticker? At that point, you just got to sell the car, get rid of everything, and just move to a different state, because it's not going to work out, bro. So if you guys are thinking about doing this for your Mustang or your SN197 Mustang, I would say, I mean, y'all see the results. Y'all make the decision based on what y'all see me do. So if you guys think that it's a good addition to your car, you do that. I'm gonna finish this up because I'm in too deep, you know what I'm saying? But I will say these things are sticky. Like, when you're putting them on, you know, that thought process that you like, oh, if you don't like something, you're just gonna take it off. That might not apply here, because when I tell you these things stick, you would need a heat gun on maximum efficiency to take off these things. But the good thing is that they're Mustang parts, so they're easily accessible, and it looked good. It looked good to me. It spiced up the Mustang interior, which is a very basic interior. Now the only piece I need to get is this piece for the center console right here. But the only reason why I didn't get it with the package is because this thing is specifically for, this is a Donovan D9, so this is like the newest head unit, and if you only want to get that, it's gonna run you a lot of money, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, this head unit itself costs, like, I don't even know, $600, $700, along that price range. The sticker for this head unit costs like $100. How does it cost a sixth of what this thing costs, bro? I don't understand. But yo, good attention to detail. Like, they even gave us this small part right here that goes onto like this little nudge right here. So I'm gonna put in everything else. So what we got left, we got 1, 2, we got this part right here, which I'm using it as a workbench, so nothing going on that right now. We have this part 2 right here. I don't think it should be too hard, and then a couple other things. So let's try that, and yeah, hopefully, I mean, I'm already pleased with it. It looks good. Everything looks good to me, so let's keep doing this. I hate the smell of the paint adhesive though. It smells so bad, but yeah, let's keep doing it, and let's get this. All right, so here's the piece for the center console. It's looking good. I'm not even gonna lie. I really do not want to mess up this piece. I think this was definitely the most expensive piece, and you can see why. This thing looks like money. So it looks like it's gonna be an easy, good fit. So let's try it out, and let's shoot, man, hopefully. So this piece does fit, confirmed, and it's looking absolutely amazing. So it's still a little tight because it has to fit this little bend or this curvature up at the top right here, because it's going up like that. So shoot, bro, I'm nervous about this. Woo, let's get it, man. Talk to me, but talk to me. Nice. Look at this thing, bro. This thing look fire. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is nice, man. This is what I like. This is what we came here for. This thing has finally come together. I love this centerpiece so much. It is so beautiful. Now, it's all that's left to do is to finish up this part right here, and then I think we're done, because this is the last piece, but I didn't want to install it because I don't have this like missing in slot right here. You can see for all the other pieces, they have this like middle piece where it inserts. Even here too, and that's for different types of the Mustang, because you know there's like the convertible and the GT California. Man, forget California. Why y'all get a special car edition in New York City? man. Anyway, so yeah, I just love this. This looks so good. It's gonna be so nice driving with this. I'm happy I took my time and made sure that this piece was done well, and everything is gonna work. You see, none of my buttons is cut off, but man, this thing looks crazy. So let's keep going. Let's finish up. All right, guys, so we just finished with the carbon fiber overlays. I think it looks super good. The only piece of advice I would give all you guys that want to do this to your Mustang is I would say definitely take your time. Maybe a heat gun will help out to stretch out some parts, because I feel like some parts could definitely like be a little slim, or they could just need a little rearranging, you know what I'm saying? But overall, this thing looks good, bro. I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Now, there is a little bit of imperfections that's gonna stick with me. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna stick with me the whole time. But to the naked eye, this looks, it changed the whole dash. The car looks brand spanking new, okay? Watch this. So that's been the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys want to, I'll share the links to where I bought these things. Now, I think they're really, really good, but you just have to be very careful. It's unforgiving, okay? If you put it down wrong, it's going to be wrong unless you take it off completely, and at that point you probably mess up the piece. So you might as well just keep it on wrong. Like, that's how it go. But yeah, I think everything is good, you know what I'm saying? Like, my cup holder still works fine. So there's no loss of functionality and stuff like that. Sorry, but yeah, so everything else is good. All the vents are good. The door works fine. Everything, all the pieces were cut really well. Like, they were cut good. So yeah, apart from that, this has been your boy AR Car Reviews. I got some carbon fiber. I mean, it's fake, but listen, fake it till you make it. You feel me? All right. So this has been your boy AR Car Reviews, and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'll see you next time. Hit that subscribe button to see this face again, see this car again, and let me know honest opinion. I want honest opinions in the comments below. Do you guys like carbon fiber overlays? Do you feel like it's ricey? I feel like they look really good when they're done right, and it's just a better thing, because Mustangs overall are just cars that interior is not where it's at, you know what I'm saying? So for the first year, I think this has been like my first couple months of owning a car, I just want to do cosmetic mods, because I don't want to do anything performance based. You know what I'm saying? I got some tint, you know, we got some carbon fiber overlays, we added an infotainment screen, small things here and there, and then we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, so we're gonna do that stuff after. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and AR out.